Welcome to PII Web Tech. Let's grow digitally. Boost your business now with digital marketing techniques and low-cost, higher results.
With all the hypes about digital marketing, do you know what common tools come in handy? Let's dive into the video and know. The first tool is blogging. It's the easiest and primary tool used for digital marketing. A blog in this case should include all kinds of information about the business. One can put the details of their services, products and offers and make exciting transparent relationship with their targeted customers. The second one is content marketing. In this tool, one writes about their business, products, services and offers in various relatable platforms, so that it can be catered to the target audience. The third tool in the bag is search engine optimization. This helps an article or blog or any content related to your business appear on top searches on search engines like Google. A well-optimized content can reach to its target audience and create more traffic. This process helps the motif of the business getting a boost in online searches. Next is social media marketing. Social media marketing is one of the most important tools in digital marketing. Nowadays, no matter in which age group your target audience falls, they all are active on social media. Posting and promoting your business on social media gives it an easier and effective boost. Now let's talk about Google AdWords. Whenever you read a blog or visit a website, you see various ads. These ads are often suggested by Google itself. Any business owner can avail this paid advertising tool for promotional purposes. The next comes app advertising. In today's world, many businesses are giving ads to many apps for displaying their products or services and offers. It is a good alternative for digital marketing, but certainly it plays a good part in it as well. Next is YouTube advertising. You must notice that there are always ads popping up during streaming of YouTube videos. That is called YouTube advertising. YouTube has become the biggest entertainment alternative today, and YouTube advertising is the best way to reach a big population of target audiences for any business. Last but not the least is email marketing. Now email marketing is something that gives a business direct access to its customers individually but in a bulk at the same time. Businesses send emails about products, services and new offers to their customers directly as a promotional tool. All these tools make a business more open and prone to success via online platforms.